Hello, so yay! Goodness Usman here, your Fab Lady Realtor for Niger Realty 24/7 and the Queen of Landlord Makers. Now in today's video, I want to show you guys something. I know some of you already have heard about this road construction, but I am very sure that so many of you are yet to see it. So my purpose today is to show you and tell you about the road. For those who are yet to hear about this new road construction that the Lagos State government is doing. Now, where is this particular place I'm talking about? Is in Sangotedo. So there's a link road that the Lagos State government is doing alongside with the Ibejuleki local government that is linking Sangotedo to Ogombo Road. So it's called Monastery by Mopo Ogombo Road. So I'll be starting the video from ShopRite, the popular ShopRite in Sangotedo, and I'll be giving you guys a drive-through slash overview of the road network and how it connects to this new construction that starts by the Monastery Road all the way to where the construction is currently at. In fact, you will see how the road links hits the Atlantic Ocean. But don't forget that this road construction being currently done by the Lagos State government is Monastery by Mopo Ogombo Road, meaning, like I said earlier, you can connect from Sangotedo to Ogombo Road. So hey, how about you come along with me for this ride and you get ready to enjoy this amazing overview footage. So I'll see you guys at the end of this video because there are some things I need to say to you at the end of the video. But for now, enjoy the view and the ride with me. Let's go. Wow, wow, wow. I bet that's what is on the lips of a lot of you, right? I mean, I've been seeing what is currently going on, and I'm sure that you guys enjoyed this. Having infrastructure in a particular place, it does what it does a lot to a lot of real estate investors. In fact, I don't think it's just investors. I think all stakeholders. So what the Lagos State government is currently doing here is a welcome idea. I mean, this makes a whole lot of sense. Even though I feel like the road should have been way more than this. It shouldn't be a 2-lane. The 4-lane would have been better. But anyway, that's not my to say. Whether it is a 2-lane or a 4-lane, this makes perfect sense. So you've seen this all the way from the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway, the ShopRite inward to this point that I am, very close to Agombo. So it means very soon, I couldn't go beyond this point because they are still working, going down, down, down. It means that in a very short while, you can drive from Okun Aja down to this point. You don't have to go through the Lekki-Ekpe Expressway anymore. You just come from the Okun Aja and link Sangotedo. Oh, awesome. Oh, I can't wait to when they are done with this. So, from what you can see in the footage, you see that they have graded, they're doing the side, and you have a lot of this interlocking that they want to start the interlocking phase. In fact, behind me, some parts, if you look at the footage very well, they had started the interlocking. So I'm going to come back here and give you guys an update when the interlocks have been done. All right, this is exciting for me. I don't know how exciting this is for you, but I say this is a very good one for all real estate stakeholders. Like I've said earlier, whether you're an investor, you're a realtor, or you're a real estate developer and you have property around here. I know so many people who have bought property years ago around here, and they have kind of lost their thought about the property because they're like, nothing is happening there, is abandoned, no good road network, no access road, and all of that. But with this now, every stakeholder here definitely is benefiting from this new development, and I know that they are also excited about this. So like I was saying earlier, that some people had bought property in this particular part, but they have abandoned the property because they feel like the whole entire area is abandoned already. There's no access road. I know people who had even given up on their investment, saying, I don't know, maybe 10 years time, that place, the road will be done and all of that. But hey, we're here, 2023. I mean, May 2023. How exciting, right? All right, so I hope, like I said earlier, that I've been able to show you something that puts you a smile on your face if you're an investor here already. And if you're yet to invest in this particular area in Sangotedo, then you see reason why you should come by into this particular location. Again, where are we? I am behind Monastery Road. Where I'm currently standing is behind Monastery, and of course, by my right here is just a walkable distance to the Atlantic Ocean. This water goes all the way to Ibejileki, down like a pine, and of course, it goes all the way to Eco Atlantic, and etc., etc. So having a property around here, trust me, you would love it because it's going to give you a high return on your investment. So there are several properties that we have currently selling in this area. I mean, we passed when initially in the footage you can see the peak luxury code right there. Yes, we still have plots selling, 35 million naira per plot, or 600 square meter. There's 300 square meter. There is 400 square meter, and of course there are houses up for sale. The commercial plots are still available as well. So like I said, this particular infrastructure has opened up a lot of property and is opening up more. If you're looking at the footage earlier, from the footage we showed earlier, you see so many signboards are beginning to spring up on this road, okay? And then many more will still be springing up because this is connecting Okun Aja. So, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget that my name remains Goodness Usman, your Fab Lady Realtor for Niger Realty 24/7, and of course the Queen of Landlords Maker. Now my job is to help you, yes, you watching me, to become a landlord or a landlady or a landowner in the Nigerian real estate market. I bring you the information that would help you make informed decisions about your real estate investment, and at the end of the day you will be happy that you made the right choice, the right investment for you, that definitely will give you a return for your investment. So don't hesitate to call me. The two numbers scrolling on the screen right now is my numbers, and I'm available on WhatsApp. Please reach out to me. So I will be waiting for your call, ladies and gentlemen, until when you give me a call. Ensure that you, yes, you watching me, you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I said to you, oh double.